Hi everyone, thanks so much for watching. I'm so excited. So this is like raw footage. Like I didn't even bother to take off my glasses because I tried to like redo my makeup. I've been having this makeup for like 10 hours. The first thing I'm just gonna straight up say, I got a Kate Spade bag. Even like just the bag is so beautiful. Just, you know, like when I was at the mall and just carrying this Kate Spade bag, I felt like, where's my Lamborghini, you know? I ended up getting the cheapest one because you know what? I got 3 kids and I got bills to pay. So I ended up getting this black one right here. It's so pretty. It is very, very, very small. Back in the day though, I used to love like huge ass bags, and now I think because my kids are a little bit older, I have grown to enjoy smaller bags. You could actually put it on your shoulders or whatever, crossbody it. I also ended up getting the wallet that goes to it, and it looks like this. The wallet is very small as well. It only has the compartments here and then here, and then it has a little like coin thing there. So I ended up getting this one, and for everything it was around $100. They did have like a 60% off plus an additional 20% off, so that's why the only reason I got anything was, you know, because it was on sale. And I'm just so happy, and I ended up calling her the Mamba. So anyway, now to the good stuff. Now that I showed off my whole week's worth of paycheck, I ended up getting a few things from Nordstrom, actually just like 1 or 2 things, and then the rest from Marshall's. So it's not gonna go in particular order, but I will, like, you know, show it off like in a separate clip. So I ended up getting this black tank top. It's just a spaghetti strap with, you know, little detail on the side where you could just like use like under any kind of shirt. And this one was for $3.99. I ended up getting this lilac long sleeve shirt. It has like a little cold shoulder, but it is long sleeve and it is like a waterfall. This one was actually on sale for $8. I don't have any color like it, and it was like cold shoulder, so it's like sort of sexy. The next shirt that I'm actually excited to show is a yellow shirt. I don't have any yellow, you know, in my wardrobe. This one was for $8. It's from Cynthia Rowley. You know what, like, I honestly think yellow looks really nice on me too, you know what I'm saying? So I ended up picking that up because I ended up picking up some high-waisted jeans that I'm about to show you guys right now, and I thought it looked really cute, you know, paired off together, which are these right here. These are from C Pink. I think they're called like celebrity pinks, no, just C Pink. They're high-waisted. Now I am a mother of 3, so my pouchiness never goes away. First of all, because I never work out. Second of all, I like high chills too much. And third of all, I have the Michoacana like literally right in the corner of my house, so there's that. These are high-waisted, and then they are skinny jeans. I thought this was really cute with that shirt when I tried it out in the dressing room. Then I ended up picking this one up at Nordstrom. This one is from First State. It has a stretchy fabric, and then I love that it was, you know, off the shoulder, but it does have sleeves. So I thought that was really, I think that's pretty sexy, you know. And I thought this was so cute, you know, with high-waisted pants, because like girls like could literally pull this off like with the cute belly ring and stuff. I used to have my belly pierced back in the day though, and now that, you know, I have kids or whatever, I just tend to be more like into, you know, high-waisted jeans. So I thought this was really cute even with that. So I went to Goodwill like a few days ago and I picked up several shoes, and some of the several shoes I will have like a separate video towards items that I got, but I just couldn't resist. I ended up getting these right here. So like the fabric is like stretchy fabric. I do have to clean them a little bit, but guys, I ended up getting a like high knee nude heel, and it was perfect. They're like almost new. I feel like whoever got these, they used them once and then they just donated it to Goodwill. These are from Forever 21, y'all. I'm gonna see if I could find them online at the Forever 21 website. I actually bought another pair of these but black, and I think those have like the heel is a little bit thicker, but again, I'm gonna first of all I need to look for them because I don't even know where they're at, and second, they were also from the same Goodwill that I ended up getting these. I actually go to the one, like, I love the Goodwills in San Diego. I live in Corona, so San Diego's like, what, 2 hours away from me? But just recently my husband ended up taking me to LA So these are like LA's like my new favorite Goodwill store, because first of all it's closer, second of all there's tacos. Damn, this video is actually, that's all. I just wanted to, I guess, share the stuff that I got with you guys. I think I was just more excited about the bag that I ended up getting, which was super excited for me. If you guys are interested in me making a video towards like Goodwill secrets, tips, tricks, all that jazz, let me know. I love going to Goodwill. I don't dedicate myself or this channel fully to Goodwill anymore because I'm more into home decor, but I would love to know your guys' opinion. But yeah, I think that's everything I gotta say, you guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow me. Also, don't forget to follow my social media links, especially Snapchat and Instagram. I do keep you guys updated with everything that I'm doing. Every time that I go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Goodwill, I'm also starting to vlog more, so that's very exciting. I never thought that I was gonna be into like mom vlogs, and now, you know, I feel like those are even more fun because I feel like, oh, I just bust up my camera and just start recording the day of a mom with twins and a 10-year-old. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.